Welcome, welcome to our engineering tutorials. So, object-oriented programming language have the several key characteristics that make them powerful for software development. Here are the main features explained clearly. In first one is a encapsulation, building of data, variables, and methods function into a single unit of called a class. Data is protected using access modifier like private, public, protected. Help in data hidings. Example, a class student contain the name, mark, and methods to access them. Second one is a abstraction, hiding the internal implementation details and showing only essential feature. Achieved using abstract class and interfaces. Example, you use your mobile phone without knowing how it work internally. Third one, inheritance. One classes acquire the properties and behavior of the another class. Promotes the code reusability. The animal dog is an example. Dog inherit the properties of the animals. The various type of inheritance is there in the oops in the further s- syllabus will read different type of inheritance, how it will reuse the code, how it will reduce the code. Let's see further classes and further videos. Fourth one is a polymorphism. Ability of an object to take many forms. The poly means many forms. Two type of the polymorphism. One is a compile time like method overloading. The method overloading, there are the three types. Is a based on the parameters, number of parameters increased. Another one is a different type is increase. Type is paused to the parameters like integer, float, long, double. The same method. Another one is a different positions, like one method like int comma float. Another method is float comma int, position changed. A runtime polymorphism is a method overriding. Example, the same method name behavior differently for circle and a square. Next one is a fifth one, class and object. A class is a blueprint or template. Object is instance of the class. Example, class is a car. Object is BMW or Audi. Object is nothing but a real-time entity. That each and every entity have one set of properties like color, size, these and all the properties for object. Collection of object called the class. The collection of object, each and every object have own set of a property. Is it possible? 6.1 is dynamic binding like late binding. Method call is resolved at runtime instance of the compile time. Important for runtime polymorphisms. As a late binding, uh, during the runtime, it will reflect into the code. Method call is resolved at runtime or instead of the compile time. Seventh one, message passing. Object communicate with each other by sending the message, like method calls. Example, object method send a message to the another object. These are mainly used for sending the message from one object to another object. That message contain the information like or text or numerical numbers or images. It is really useful and more reusable code. 10th one, data hiding through encapsulation improve the securities to avoid the unauthorized access to the code or applications. Polymorphisms, classes and object, dynamic binding, message passing, modularity, reusability, and security. Modularity, that means divided into the number of modules in the coding part or programming part. Reusability, mostly used for a common method and used many times. Number of times used include the same project. The single method used to the multiple number of times, that is called as a modularity. So overall the picture for the oops concepts: class, object, polymorphism, inheritance, data binding, message passing, encapsulations. Futures of hoops. It's a diagrammatic representation. Class object inheritance, polymorphisms, encapsulation, late binding message passing, constructor and destructors, code reusability. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.